What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's Buddy Technoboy, and there you can see these two are mini Class D amplifier, both of them, and they are DIY build. So I have built them myself. This is the one you can say the control pod amplifier with a big volume control knob, and this thing is a 2.1 amplifier. Well, the stereo one is inside of it, and the point one means the subwoofer is it is having a pre-out which is connected to this subwoofer amplifier, bigger one. But this one is totally a 4.1 amplifier with two separate stereo channels and one subwoofer amplifier. All are Class D amplifiers inside of it. All the amplifiers are inside except the power supply because it's connected to a 5 amp 12 volt power supply, and this thing is connected to a 12 volt 2 amp power supply, and that's the main volume control. And this thing controls the main two channels, and it can separately control the other two channels, which is right there, that one, the right one and the left one, and the bottoms are here mini tower speakers. That's the one, right one, and that's the left one right there. So today they both are turned on. You can see the blue light right there and the yellow light right here. So they both are turned on, and I'm gonna do the sound test comparison between these two amplifier. Well, the bass is gonna be a little bit of different because this is a huge amplifier which is connected to a 8-inch subwoofer, and this is a small amplifier, and the subwoofer is connected to a 5.5-inch driver subwoofer, which is right under that table, the both one. So I can show you that. So now I'm gonna start with this one. So first I'm gonna play the songs on this amplifier, and then gonna turn on that one. This is a 4.1 and this is a 2.1 control pod. So I'm gonna write the names of both of them when they are playing, so you can understand which one are playing right now. For this one, the speakers are right there. You can see that one, right one, and here that one, the left one. So all the things are set and it's ready to go. So I'm gonna put my camera right here, and from here you can see those amplifiers and the main screen. So let's start the show.
take it away from me. I hope you're up for a fight. You're scratching your face goes up cause the bass goes shaking the roof from the back to the center. Making you lose in the track you surrender. Shaking the roof from the back to the center. You're scratching your face closed up cause the bass goes shaking the roof from the back to the center. Making you lose in the track you surrender.